This will go on for maybe 2 or 3 hours. You will come with your whole family to my hut. You and your wife and the kids, and my kids will be playing with your kids. So it's like a family event. It always happens at after sundown, so you'll come by around 7. You'll probably leave at 10. We'll do this for a whole week. So that's a lot of commitment. We'll contrast how Western doctors treat their patients. Right? Yeah. You know how privileged this is to be able to see this? And see, Serembo had an apprentice. And like I said, it's really important to get permission of native peoples. Otherwise, you don't want to do that. You don't want to burn bridges. But his apprentice, Balti's an interesting guy. Balti was kind enough to organize the stones in ways that made sense to an untrained person like myself. So, very interesting here. Got a point. All right. No. Well, I have to. See those 3 that are way up on top? Oh, those 3? Those are all for curing. Those are all for curing. And there's one that's like quartz. By the way, this is the middle of the Amazon. You don't have hard stone like this. So these are exotics imported from who knows where. All those 3 up on the top are all for curing. These are for causing diarrhea. This phallic-looking one is, I was told, that will give you syphilis, or he can cause somebody to come down with syphilis. This one was malaria. I had malaria with the mama. I didn't want to get near that stone. And this is out and out death. This is out and out death. So Serembo was perfectly okay with me seeing this, but he wanted me to know I can cure it or I cannot cure it. Yeah. By the way, everybody in the village knew somebody had to act like me. I had malaria, got really sick, and I threw up. And I went have bad memories. But he worked on it. Could you just be me, just be sick? Just be me, but don't throw up. So all of a sudden, out of the corner of my eye, I see this guy coming at me. What's Motorawe? What the heck is this? Motorawe is a friendly spirit, a friendly heckler. And what he's clearly, I'm under spiritual attack. I was fine here just a few minutes ago, and all of a sudden I'm sick as a dog. No germ theory of disease, there's a spiritual attack. So he's securing a spiritual perimeter by summoning a friendly heckler spirit, Motorawe. So he did this for a long time. And then for about 20 minutes, he massaged me. And then at the very end, so I'm like, yeah, what is going on? So he needs a lot of massage, and he does it. It's a magical charm, so it needs to come out. And who sent it and where? That's the key. So you'll be fine. We just don't part company. But respect. And respect also means that if you're healthcare professionals, and I have been after missionary doctors to do this, I have not been successful yet. Maybe some of you will. Listen, when somebody gets sick in the Amazon, the first person they go to is the shaman. They are the first responders. They are at the front line in healthcare, emergency. So a missionary who's worried about healthcare should train shamans on how to deliver healthcare emergency, which the men told me. And I said, are you sure these are like vision questions. Should I be? Yes. Can I write them down? Yes. Can I tell other people? Yes. Can I publish them? Yes. I have all that. So I'm very sensitive about the ethics. Remember we were talking about those ethical considerations? If those are serious, you will always have an ancestor appear. Osha, which means I come my town. And they will always be brandishing a weapon, either a spear or a shotgun. And the tip is always bloody. Osha! And then he'll point either to his hair. Now, if it's gray, it means you'll have a long life. He'll point to a hill. And look at all those kids, tons of kids. Or look at all those wonderful machetes and material prosperity. But the best one, my neighbor got, my neighbor Telingas. And he told me